Hey gang, Neil from the Art of Mixology here with a special edition. Instead of my usual mixology, tweaking some drink to make it absolutely the best, this is going to be a simple, fun-friendly recipe for you. Lauren and I went to southern Spain for a couple of weeks and we just got back. I've been reading the blogs and hearing about the Tinto de Verano. So when we got there, first rooftop bar we were at, Tinto de Verano, por favor, and we fell in love with this drink. I think we had one every day we were there, and I think we've had one every day since we've been home. It's that kind of yummy and simple to make, and you make it from ingredients in the grocery store, all right? The ingredients are 3 ounces of red wine. And I mean cheap red wine, like this is called a Grenache. It's a type of grape. Maybe you've heard of a French Grenache grape. Think of that $10 yummy red blend wine special in the grocery store. Don't get a cab, don't get a big Rioja or a big structured tannin kind of a drink. You want a slutty red wine for this thing, all right? I'm gonna do about 3 ounces of that. Second, you're going to need a lemon soda. They use Fanta lemon in Spain. Don't see that around here, but they have these wonderful Starry lemon lime minis. And what's nice is this little can makes 2 Tinto de Veranos. Boom, no leftovers. So we love this. All right. And the third ingredient is going to be that guy there, the navel orange. All right. So let's get started. Now, I'm using plastic cups because half the time it's like, honey, it's 5 o'clock, it's pretty outside, let's go sit on the deck. So these are ready to roll indoors or out. We load up some ice. I'm going to throw in, I keep this stuff chilled in the fridge, ready to go. That's how committed I am to this Tinto de Verano, which by the way means red wine of summer. Tinto meaning red wine and summer, and it is the red wine of summer in southern Spain. It's like the vodka tonic of southern Spain, all right? Now, I'm gonna put in 3 ounces. I know this drink, so I'm just gonna eyeball it, but you should measure with 3 ounces, all right? Second, you're gonna throw in a big juicy hunk of navel orange, all right? This kind of gives it that, 60-second sangria effect. And it's not only the orange juice, and you really want to squeeze it and get that juice in there, But it also gets the flavor of the white of the rind and the oils in the skin. So it has that full flavor impact that you wouldn't just get with orange juice, So there we go. We've got some nice, juicy, fruity goodness going in there, all right? Crack open one of these, and again, this is 3 ounces of wine. It's a light cocktail. It's half the strength of a regular cocktail, and it's a big sipper. So it's a wonderful 5 o'clock drink when you haven't made dinner yet, and you want to keep your wits about you, but you want to have something light but enjoyable before dinner time. There we go. Split the can, so it's about 4 ounces of this lemon soda. The traditional ratio is the same amount of red wine and lemon. I found I like it a little extra lemon, but it's all good. And it's that easy. You're gonna love these things. We've been serving them to guests, and they're well received. We hope you enjoy it, courtesy of our friends in Spain and the Art of Mixology.